There's Chickadee sitting right in the doorway of the Milky Way. And she, again, will spend a great deal of time right there. She likes to have her babies very close. I won't see her outside as much as I see Voodoo outside. Chickadee is a little less secure with her puppies in the sense of she wants to guard them. She doesn't like other dogs coming around the pen. She always stands in between her puppies and the other dogs. This is Chickadee, and we're out for our walk. It is July 11th, Friday, 2009. It's July 11th, which is a Friday, and this is Chickadee. Her puppies are still in the whelping box. They are 2 weeks of age now, and their eyes are open. See if we can see that. There, you might have seen that one. We'll get a better look in a second. Their ears are not open yet, so even though I make a lot of noise like this, oh, we got a little twitch, but I don't think that had anything to do with hearing. I think he's just twitching because he's asleep. Soon these puppies will need to get out of the whelping box. I take them out when they start climbing over the top or when they are nursing and they're strong enough to hang on, and as the mother steps over the top of the box, they end up hanging on and falling out on the other side. They smelled her. Now we're up and moving. Aren't they cute? There's 5 boys and 3 girls in this litter. So there we can see that the puppy's eyes are open. Let's see if I can get him to turn. There we go. Oh, he's not very happy being held up like that. But you can see at 2 weeks of age, their eyes are open. And they're up on their feet. They walk a couple steps and fall on their chin or fall over.